Eto, two names pagsasabihin ko na hello again. Shout out ko na to, promise. Ngayong araw and the next other day, ibang tao naman. Please lang guys, once na nakagawan ko na kayo ng shout out, wag muna kayo ulit magre-request ng shout outs after at least 2 weeks para mabigyan ko po ng chance yung iba makapag-request. So, this is it. Hi kay Kuya Larry Humang ng Manila. Hi Kuya. You've been so supportive and sabi mo manonood ka this coming August 9. Although yes, nanood ka last show ko, so hope to see you again this second show ko under sa Fave Production ulit. So, kita-kitsa. Sana this time makapag-picture na tayo. And sorry may listahan ako kasi ang dami niyo, promise. And kay Tom Brian Molina ng Ilocos Sur. Ayan. Hi, Tom. I guess high school ka ata or college student. But, by the way, thank you sa pagiging auto-likers ko sometimes. Ingat ka lagi and study hard Aral-aral din pag may time. So, ayun. Thank you guys. Have a nice day. Have a nice day. Date tuloy. Matutulog na ako kasi may pasok pa ako mamaya 8 a.m. So, ingat. Bye-bye.